Good morning students, this is Professor Rajeshwari Sharma here. Welcome back to the e-learning session of GS College of Commerce, Farda. In last few lectures, we have started with our first unit, that is Indian Economy and Planning, under which we have covered our first chapter, that is Economic Planning. Today we are going to start with our second chapter, that is Niti Aayog. Under this chapter, we are going to see the introduction, structure, aims and objectives, and the differences in two approaches, that is Planning Commission and Niti Aayog. So today we are going to discuss about the introduction and the structure of Niti Aayog. So let's start with the introduction. Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transformation of India. So the replacement of Planning Commission with Niti Aayog was a paradigm shift in the policy making framework of India. As we have seen when we were learning the chapter Economic Planning, Planning Commission has been established in the year 1950 and it has been given the responsibility of formulation of economic planning for the growth and the development of the nation. So since 1951 up to year 2017, India has seen the 12th plan that has been formulated by the Planning Commission. But in year 2015, this Planning Commission has been replaced with the Niti Aayog. See, it has been said that Planning Commission used to have the top-bottom approach for the formulation of planning, which means the planning planning used to be formulated on top level. Policies used to be formulated on top level. Objectives used to be laid down on top level, and once this is done, so the instructions and guidelines used to be given to the bottom level for the proper implementation of planning. It used to be done under the economic planning at the time of Planning Commission. So due to this, there were some ground level problem which was not considered by Planning Commission, used to be untouched, that could not be addressed. So this phenomena could not give the fruitful result of economic planning as expected. So due to the shortcoming, Planning Commission has been replaced by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is said to have the bottom-up approach, which means here the suggestions and the decision making will involve the local level also. There would be the inclusion of the local level also in the planning and the decision making, so that all the problems which are on even ground level can be addressed. So it was the purpose of bringing Niti Aayog into existence. It is said that Niti Aayog is more comprehensive and it will restructure the policy making framework in India. It will restructure the planning process in India and make the planning more flexible and decentralized. Even though the Niti Aayog has come into existence in year 2015, but it has started its actual execution in year 2017 when our 12th 5-year plan has ended in year 2017. So now we will see the structure of Niti Aayog. See, here we have a chairperson. So Prime Minister of the country is appointed as the chairperson of Niti Aayog. Then we have the Governing Council. Governing Council consists of the chairperson and the members are the ministers of the various states and lieutenant generals of the union territories. Then we have the Regional Council. So Regional Council is a council which is formulated to address the specific issue which is pertaining to one or more state or region, and it is constituted for the specific time. It has members. It has the ministers of state and the lieutenant governor as the member of regional council, and it is dissolved after once the particular problem or the issue is resolved. Then we have the special invitees. So under special invitees we have the experts, technicians, politicians from the different background, from the different domain, having the knowledge of the having the knowledge of different domain, and they are nominated by the Prime Minister. Then as the full-time structure of the full-time organizational structure of Niti Aayog, we have the chairperson, who is the Prime Minister of country. Then we have vice chairperson. He is nominated by the chairperson, that is the Prime Minister of country. Then we have members. As full-time members, we have 5 members. There are 2 part-time members, a maximum of 2 part-time members in Niti Aayog, who are from the popular research institution, institution or the some renowned organization. Then we have and they are rotational in nature. Part-time members are rotational in nature. Then we have the ex officio members. There are maximum of 4 ex officio members who are the ministers of the Union Council. And then we have the CEO. So CEO is appointed by the chairperson, that is the Prime Minister of the India. He is the rank of secretary. He is at the rank of secretary to the government. So this is the structure of Niti Aayog. And Niti Aayog, the main objective of Niti Aayog is expanding the role of states, giving more positive roles to the state in order to involve everyone in the decision making process. Thank you.